In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fonts on Bubble.io. Let's dive straight in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Bubble.io. It's a powerful tool for building web applications visually without writing any code. Once you're logged into your account and in your project environment, look to the left panel. Here's where you're going to drag in a file uploader element onto your canvas. This element is essential as it allows us to upload the custom font file that we'll be using later. With the file uploader in place, click the Upload button. A dialog box will appear allowing you to select a font file from your computer. For our purposes, you'll need to select a file with the TTF extension. This is a TrueType font file, a common format used for fonts. Once your file is uploaded, you'll want to direct your attention to the dynamic link button that appears next to your uploaded file. Clicking this will generate a URL directing to your font file on Bubble's storage. You'll want to copy this link to use later on. At this point, you'll need another file uploader. Go ahead and drag one more onto your canvas. The next step involves uploading your associated .cs file, which contains the styles and font definitions needed to render your custom font correctly. After your .cs file has been uploaded, you'll again click on the dynamic link to generate a URL for this file. Ensure you copy this link, as it'll be necessary in the next steps. Now shift your attention to the settings page of your Bubble application. This is where you handle configurations for functionalities within Bubble. Scroll to the Fonts section of the settings. Here you'll input the name of your custom font. Make sure this is easily identifiable. Then you'll need to paste the URL you previously copied from the .cs file into the CSS file path field. This tells Bubble exactly where your font is stored online. After you've filled in these details, click on Add Font. This action saves the new font settings within your Bubble project. Once your font is added, it's time to see it in action. Go back to the Design tab and drag a text element onto the page. You'll find an option to select the app font. Clicking here will show a list of available fonts, including the one you just uploaded. Select your custom font from this list, and there you have it. Your text should now display in the font style you've uploaded, and you're all set. With that, you've successfully learned how to incorporate custom fonts into your Bubble projects, tailoring the aesthetic of your application to fit your unique style.